Hello everyone, now I'll show you one of our core technologies, tooling design and manufacturing.
Tooling design and manufacturing is the fundamental support of all our technologies. From initial analysis, 3D modeling, simulation verification, and optimization, all processes are self-designed. Long life of toolings, up to 100 million cycles. Surface finish reach RA 0.2 or less. Max stamping speed up to 1,500 strokes per minute. High stable accuracy with 0.001 mm. Product dimensional accuracy up to 0.005 mm. Reach a top tier in domestic stamping die industry. Equipped with world-class processing facilities, including Western wire cutting machines, oil cutting machines, PG machines, and a series of other high-precision processing facilities, ensuring consistency and stability of toolings. Capable of manufacturing kinds of precision stamping toolings, such as precision progressive dies, fine blanking dies, and deep joint dies, widely used in consumer electronics, automotive electronics, new energy batteries, medical electronics, smart home devices, as well as IC packaging fields. Export to European and American markets such as the United States, Germany, and Italy, as well as Asian markets such as Japan and India. Highly recognized by clients.
Above is the introduction of Heju's tooling design and manufacturing technology. Thank you.